At first glance, it's just a compact folded trash bag roll. But every neatly folded layer is designed to save space while making each bag easy to separate and use. Behind that simple design is a carefully controlled manufacturing process, where the film is produced and guided into the converting line for folding and bag making. The film is folded into 4 even layers before being rewound, cut into finished rolls, and labeled for the next stage of packaging. Each bag tears away smoothly from the roll, making dispensing quick and convenient without affecting the remaining bags. Even after being stretched in every direction, the bag maintains its integrity, demonstrating the strength needed for everyday waste collection. From dry garden waste to bulky household items, the bag is built to handle a variety of everyday disposal needs with confidence. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by internationally recognized certifications and trusted partnerships built over the years, we continue providing 4-fold trash bag solutions designed for efficient waste collection across residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Connect with HAPLAST to discover packaging solutions tailored to your business.